Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hakaar pesawat terek mentau benar Lympung, ke Nehru Yuva Kendra Shillong, ke Pynlong ya ke district level cultural program Hayut Hostel Shillong. Hakani ke jelang, Director yang ketnat District Youth Coordinator Nehru Yuva Kendra Shillong, Dr. Salam Singh ulalong Kongsan, ringkat ke jiran lang kilaingut kinong bisar jong kayong syari, bahkan thom ya ikong Davida Paswet, ikong Iva Dona Kong Tau, bat uba man bahalang marpna. Hakani ke singi keladan do ke jing ikop, syat kenhon hak jing tem tenrai. Hakabalai shimenta da ke nyau tuli kenhon, kibala syat hak jing syat jong kijat benreo Assamese, Bengali, Nepali, Khasi, Garo, bat kawai pat kedai ke mix Bengali. Kinong job hakani ke jing ikop syat tenrai ya kanam nak do, layok ra da ke kenhon Assamese Group A, kat baka kenhon ke bawan pa arpat kedai ke Assamese Group B, bat ke kenhon ke balawan balai kedai ke kenhon jong ki Khasi. Hakani ke juga sengi keladan ro ke jingi lekai basketball bala penya de Nehru Yuva Kendra Shillong ya ke bala tep kum ke district level basketball tournament jong ki senrang ya ke bala Pynlong hapo tirot sing basketball court la chumia ki kenhon ki bala shimenta hakani ke jingi ko pat kadai ke kenhon jong ki jai benreu Naga, Mizo, Garo, Kuki, Bengali, Manipur bat ke kenhon rangjanai bat na la chumia. Hakani ke jingi ko basketball pa ke kenhon ke bala ora ikanam ado kedai ke kenhon rangjanai bat ya kanam ba arpat layo da ke kenhon jong kijat benreu Mizo.
The best effort and the best task before us and before you is to bring togetherness and to bring common harmony and loving each other and peaceful in nature and having positive interaction among different communities. As you know, Northern region is having a diverse communities, culture and tradition. But after all, everybody agreed and accepted that Northeast is one, defining itself as a seven sister, including one more youngest brother, that is Sikkim. So in that spirit of sisters and brothers concept and its philosophy, the Northern region has a very importance in the country as well, because Northeast itself is a very important region in the country in the sense like we are surrounded by different foreign countries. We are neighbor to different foreign countries such as Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal and Bangladesh. Because of this region is called as a very sensitive and also strategically very, very important for many activities. Moreover, our region is a very talented region as well as very resourceful. Time has come that every one of us, like Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, that our time has come that we all have to work together so that at least we can contribute positively in the development process of the country, as well as we ourselves needs to work together and we ourselves needs to do more so that we can come up at a development stage at par with the rest of the country. oi, oi.